So I will discuss some other examples greater than 14 electron systems like N2 molecule, like O2 molecule, O2 plus, so like that. So the next one is above 14 electron system containing molecule is O2 molecule. Which molecule? O2 molecule. Oxygen, here is also oxygen, but there is a change of these two energy levels. There is a change of these two energy levels in above 14 electron system. So therefore now this is which one? Sigma 2pz, then it is what? Pi 2px, pi 2py. Then everything is same. Then here one electron is paired, here is also what? One electron is paired, because 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Now MOED diagram of O2 molecule, oxygen atomic number is 8, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So therefore it contains how many electrons? 8 electrons. Next one is number of electrons in O2 molecule according to molecular orbital theory equals to 16 electrons, because each oxygen contains 8 electrons, so therefore total 16 electron system. Now electron configuration of O2 molecule, then we have to follow this particular diagram, that is sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, then pi 2px equals to pi 2py, pi 2py. The next one is pi star 2px, pi star 2py. The last one is which one? Sigma star 2pz. Which one? Sigma star 2pz. Now it is a 16 electron system. So 2 electrons, 2, here is also 2, then 6 plus 2, 8, 10, 12, 14, then this contains 1 electron, it is also contains what? 1 electron. So therefore number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital, number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals 2, 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, so 10 electrons here, minus 2, here is 2, 4 electrons plus 2, so 6 electrons by 2, here is what? 4 by 2 means what? 2. So therefore bond order of O2 molecule equals to number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. Anti-bonding molecular orbital by 2. So therefore here is what? Okay, this is the principle to calculate bond order. So therefore it is which one? A diatomic molecule contains double bond. Which bond is present? Double bond present between two oxygen molecule, between two oxygen atoms. So therefore number of unpaired of electrons equals to 2 only, because the two electrons which are present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals of pi to p x and pi to p y. So therefore this is which one? Paramagnetic molecule. Which molecule it is? Paramagnetic molecule. So when we go for the molecular energy level diagram of O2 molecule, so oxygen contains 8 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, then 1s, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. So we are filling like this. So here is 2 electrons, then here is also 2 electrons, then 1 electron here. Here is also what? 1 electron. Total 16 electron. So therefore, so these 2 orbitals contains what? 2 unpaired of electrons. It is which one? Paramagnetic molecule. Which molecule? Paramagnetic molecule.